my goodness, I'm so excited to bring you these fabrics. And you know what? It's Labor Day coming up, and we're going to leave these prices up through Labor Day. These are so pretty. Oh, these are so pretty. Okay, so what we have is these are viscose. They're 100% viscose, but they're a suede viscose. They're that kind that is just really luscious to feel, and they're beautiful. This is a watermelon, and the best part, they're all $13.99. I know this is a home run, you guys. They're so pretty. So cowl necks, gathers, both sides are usable. They're just so pretty. They're just really, really pretty. Look at the drape in these. Make it look skinny. I mean, you know, you can't. They're nice weight, so you can't see through them. You could do yoga pants. You could do leggings. You could do all kinds of stuff. Okay, so anyway, enough of my going on and on. I did throw in just a couple short things we had. This is obviously a woven. But it just blends. Look at the colors. It just blends so beautifully. Don't have a lot of yardage. Both sides are usable. Well, no, it's one-sided. I take that back. It's a woven. And it's cotton. It's got a little bit of poly, which is probably these little flecks right here, because it burns pretty clean, but not completely. This is lovely also. This is a jacquard, a knit jacquard. It's beautiful. It would be great for a little jacket. You know, just a knit little jacket. The new jacket that we have coming out wouldn't be reversible, but you could put two fabrics together. This has stretch in both directions. It's a cotton poly. Isn't that pretty? The sheen on this is just fabulous. Very much looks like a silk. All right, then we've got a little bit of this woven. This is pink. It's got a pink and a gray, perfect for this fall. Little lurex thread going through there. Again, it has a little bit of poly, but I'm sure it's that lurex thread. Mainly burns clean. The rest is very much cotton. It is just one-sided. It's a woven. Again, beautiful. $13.99. All of these, you guys, through Labor Day or until they're gone. Whatever comes first. Love this. Look at the drape and the boing in that. It is, and again, it's this suede viscose. It's lovely. $13.99. Oh my gosh, these are so stash worthy. Look at that mint green. So we've got a baby blue and a mint green. Isn't that pretty? Just beautiful. Stretch in both directions. All of them do. They're the three colors. Stretch in both directions. Anyway, the goal is happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.